With a portfolio that is comprehensive and sets trends in the areas of fire alarm technology, voice alarm, and management systems, Esser is the expert for safety in buildings. The correct sizing of the fire alarm technology for a property or building unit is derived from its size, as well as its safety and security requirements. The Fire Alarm Control Panel Compact sets standards for small and mid-sized projects with heightened requirements for system reliability. This is because Compact features the latest analog loop technology for well-known addressable detectors and alarm devices, and thus offering the technology of a complex system at very good value for money. The Fire Alarm Control Panel Compact provides detection, control, and alerting of fire events all at once. Appropriate interfaces for alerting a fire brigade, automatic control of equipment, as well as the bus-integrated control of alarm device outputs make Compact a highly flexible and powerful solution. Commissioning with the well-tried programming software Tools 8000 permits custom configuration of system data and also simplifies installation. Compact's technology is on the cutting edge of early fire detection. Accordingly, its operation is microprocessor controlled. With the Esser Bus Plus loop, Compact provides short-circuit and open-circuit resistant loop technology for up to 127 smart and individually addressable loop devices, which can be spread across a total of 127 detector zones. However, the loop devices do not simply include all types of fire detector and alarm device. Transponders and interface modules also enable the connection of detectors for special applications and fire control systems. As a result, Compact is ideal for application in manufacturing plants as well as in the light industry. And since Compact shares its periphery with the IQ8 Quad family, the cost of storage and the technician's training period are kept minimal. Esser Compact combines the advantages of a compact fire alarm control panel with the performance and flexibility of larger systems. Accordingly, it satisfies high standards of efficiency and modern fire protection in buildings. Esser Compact. Compact and powerful.